There have been several allegations and counter-allegations by Kerala and Centre regarding distribution of ration in Kerala. But did you know that Kerala has fallen well short in utilising Centre's free ration scheme? Kerala has found itself in a complex love-hate relationship with its public distribution system, which ensures food security for millions. While the state has consistently accused the central government of not increasing its ration share, a new revelation suggests that Kerala has not been utilizing its existing free ration quota from the centre effectively. As per reports, data handed over to Kerala's Civil Supplies Department indicates a significant shortfall in the state's uptake of its allocated ration stock. Estimates reveal that Kerala has taken up to 17,000 tons less rice and 400 tons less wheat than allotted by the centre over the past few months. This includes the free wheat and rice intended for yellow and pink ration card holders, totaling around 41 lakh individuals, and the subsidized rice for the 25 lakh white card holders. The shortfall reportedly began in May, coinciding with a strike by transport contractors, protesting delays in the payment of their dues. So how much rice does the centre allocate to Kerala? Data shows that it receives 1.3 lakh tons of rice and 15,629 tons of wheat to Kerala. Adding to the woes, Kerala's ration distribution is facing further disruption due to a shutter-down strike declared by ration shop owners on Monday and Tuesday. The majority of the unions, including influential Joint Ration Coordination Council and the Kerala Ration Employees Federation, are participating in this strike. Their primary demands center around a revision of their wages. Despite attempts to resolve the dispute, a meeting involving the civil supplies and finance ministers, top bureaucrats and union leaders failed to reach a breakthrough. The tension in Kerala's ration system is not new. In February, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan criticized a directive from the centre requiring ration shops to display signboards and flex boards featuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Labeling it an election stunt, Vijayan vowed to resist the implementation of this directive, arguing that it was a clear attempt to use the PDS for political campaigning ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Food and Civil Supplies Minister G.R. Anil also expressed concerns over the centre's distribution of Bharat rice at 29 rupees per kg, which he deemed a violation of federal principles. In May, the introduction of the One Nation One Ration Card scheme added another challenge. While Kerala agreed to this plan, it worries that the scheme might reduce its rice ration share, which will be based on the latest census. If the state is unable to fully utilize its current ration quota due to strikes and internal friction between the government and ration shop owners, why is it fighting for more? I'm Deepthi Ram and you are watching India Today So South.